Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. This is day 10 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in different situations. Introducing yourself correctly is very important because it creates a good first impression.
In this lesson, we will practice 1. Introducing yourself in a job interview. 2. Introducing yourself at a party. 3. Introducing yourself in an online meeting.
Part 1. Job Interview. Hello, my name is Ai Chan Par. I graduated from Yangon University. I have 2 years of experience in teaching English.
Yes, my name is Thierry Mo. I graduated from Mandalay University. I have 3 years of experience in content writing. I am passionate about education and helping students learn effectively.
Part 2. Party, social event. Hi, I'm Ai Chan Thar. Nice to meet you. I enjoy painting and reading books.
Hi, Ai Chan Thar. I'm Thierry Mo. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I enjoy painting and reading books. How about you?
I like traveling and cooking.
Part 3. Online meeting, Zoom. Hello everyone. My name is Ai Chan Thar. I'm from Tangji, Shan State, Myanmar. I'm a Burmese language teacher. I'm excited to join this meeting and collaborate with you all.
Hello, everyone. My name is Thierry Mo. I'm from Bin U Luin, Myanmar. I'm a content writer. I look forward to contributing to this project.
Pause the video and repeat these lines out loud. Practice each situation at least twice.
Excellent work today. You have just practiced introducing yourself in 3 different situations.
Remember, the way you introduce yourself changes depending on the context. Be professional in interviews, friendly at parties, and clear in online meetings.
This is the end of day 10. Keep practicing and don't forget to join us tomorrow for day 11.
See you tomorrow. Bye.